and last video we have installed color magazine theme and WordPress. This is our side, and this side we have installed color magazine. Today I tell you that how to get started with color magazine theme. I have logged in and WordPress admin area. This is the WordPress dashboard, and we have installed last time the color magazine theme. Now we get started with color mag. Click at get start. The process is easy. Scroll down. Refresh demo. And import the demo. Click on import. Click at confirm, red button. The color magazine gets started by importing data. This give few minutes to import the data. Please wait, the data is importing. The color magazine is very important for making a news website. The color magazine give us a demo. The demo has been imported. Now we click on our site and refresh. Oh wow, you can see the color magazines with different menus, slides, and all portion has been imported. This all data published by the color magazine theme developer. Now we try to customize it appearance and click on customize. All person icons. Where person icon appear, it means this area is editable. This area is customizable. If you change any location or customize any portion like this, click on person icon, and here some details has been appeared. If you can change this We can write here fresh news. You can also live this changing and live, and click on down and publish. Refresh. Here you can see the changed appear. Now we try to some other area. We try to change health name, health, repeat, and here we write world. You can see the live change has been appeared. Scroll down, click on done and click on publish. Refresh page. You can see the menu has been changed from health to world. This is portion for advertising, Google AdSense. This is also advertising area from Google AdSense. In next video I will tell you that how to change menu bar with different categories, page and much more. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.